Hello everyone, welcome back to Click Excel. Let me show you a faster way to total the numbers. Just select the numbers you want to add and press the Alt and equals. At the end of the column 1, it will show the total of the selected numbers. You can also select the multiple rows or multiple columns and use the Alt equals same way. For example, I will delete this total now. Select this column and this column. You want to know the total of both the columns means same. Select both the columns or any multiple columns and press Alt equals. See, both the columns total has been appeared automatically. Easy, right? Try this today and save time in Excel. If you found helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Click Excel for more quick Excel tricks. Thank you for watching.